Hi, this is me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and this is a little, maybe a helpful video on 3D looking effect and kind of a weird different look. I just typed out 3D text. I'm going to change it to Arial Black to give me a thicker font. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to Object or Control K and break it apart. And then I'm going to go Control K again to break those letters apart. And then I'm going to go Control K again to break those letters apart. Now every letter is different. And this is where your artistic ability would kind of come into play. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Actually even maybe move all the text over because we want them kind of close together when we get this effect. And then take this T and rotate it the other way and maybe make it larger. It would be better if you made it larger at first, because if you stretch it, it'll be a little stretched, so we can rotate that guy. We'll maybe leave the E the other way, take the X and make it bigger by taking down that corner, hit the rotation, maybe move it over a little bit, take that T and rotate it the opposite way. We should have made it bigger at first. Maybe leave it smaller, and then just, I mean, I'm not very artistic, so bear with me. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it all and group it. And there's several ways you could do this, but I'm going to group it together. And then I'm going to get the extrude tool, and I'm going to just grab it. I'm going to just extrude it out a little bit. And what's so cool about this, let's move this out of the way. I'm going to set my nudge factor on something bigger. Well, it's an extrude, so it doesn't really give me a size. So I'm going to extrude it like 2 inches. And then I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to break the extrude apart. And then I'm going to try to grab the top layer and go up. So that is just my text. And we can make the text whatever color we want. We're going to go blue this time. Now this is kind of neat. Now we can make this red, but it only does the outside part. But when you bring this back, and what we could also do is take the lines away. So left, right click, no line. Matter of fact, we can make sure this has no line by right clicking. And then we could put that back. And you just get a total different look if you were going to print that. And like I said, your artistic ability would show up on how you could do that. You know, you might even want to leave the lines and make them a little thicker so they'll show up. That would just be personal preference, make it a little bit different look. I think that looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.